How to add GIF in Framer. So if you want to add GIF in Framer, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Framer and go with your template. Under your template, now you just need to simply select the space in which you would like to add a GIF. For example, I'll just simply go with the space. And here you need to go with the fill option. Just go with fill, and under fill you need to go with the image section, which is on the top right, and then go with choose image. Once you've selected choose image, you need to select the GIF which you have on your PC. But if you don't have GIFs, then you can just simply go and use Pixabay. And from here, you can search for GIFs and you will have a lot of GIFs right here. So I'll just simply go with this one, a random one. And here you will have download option. You can just simply go with download and just simply click on download and it will start the downloading process. And once it's downloaded, you need to just go back here and then go with choose image, go with your downloads, select the GIF, go with open, and it has been uploaded. Now you can just simply adjust it, resize it, and paste it or put it wherever you like. So that's how you can add GIF in Framer. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.